New this morning, there will soon be a new leader at the Doña Ana County District Attorney's Office following the November election. I sat down one-on-one with newly elected DA Fernando Macias to find out how he plans to address a critical issue plaguing the office right now.
The vision has to be one of restoring the confidence in the office within the community. And I think that that's currently lacking and has been for quite some time now. The high dismissal of cases, I think, has caused a lot of concern in the community.
For months, KFOX 14 has been reporting on the significant concern of case dismissals under outgoing District Attorney Gerald Byers' office. Back in January, Byers refused to disclose any information about the backlog.
I'm not saying that we can't. What I'm saying is that the rule does not require that we do.
After his win in the November election, Doña Ana County District Attorney-elect Fernando Macias will be in charge of managing it.
So part of the initial effort is to go back to see which of these cases are still salvageable. How many of them can we still go forward with? Can we find the witnesses? Can we find the alleged victim? Can we go forward with a case? That in terms of restructuring the office as well. So I'm going to take at least the first 90 days to work within the structure that the office currently has, and then really make a determination at that point what is the reorganization that is necessary.
However, one thing he says he knows right now is necessary is staffing up that office.
Right now, there's technically 21 attorney positions that include the district attorney. But I believe that only about 9 of them are actually engaged in court activities. That is not sustainable. That is a disaster continuing to happen. But my plan is to rebuild the district attorney's office into a more effective crime-fighting institution.
Macias tells me he has the experience to make the change needed to push the community forward.
As a district court judge, handling over 10,000 cases over an 11-year period, I believe that I know where problems are that frustrate the community. Certainly, the situation of people being placed in the detention center and then released within short periods of time. That we're going to have to reassess and have some very serious discussions with the local judiciary in terms of how we address that issue that is compromising the confidence of the community.
So I went ahead and reached out to Byers' office to get an update on where that backlog currently stands. Well, I did not receive a response in time for this report. However, Macias will officially take over that office come January.